Rev Tim reporting live from Colorado Springs, Colorado, the west side, December 20th, 2006. This is supposed to be the storm of the century, Blizzard. They've been talking about this on TV. There's barely any snow. There's a lot of snow on the ground, and it is definitely cold. I'm going to go see if we can find this big blizzard that they're talking about on television. It's actually stopped snowing. I just don't see a blizzard anywhere. The road looks okay for a snow day. They haven't really plowed it yet, but the traffic's keeping the snow pretty much off the road. Traffic seems to be moving fine. Visibility is quite good, really, considering there really isn't any snow falling, precipitation right now. We have about a half an inch on the ground here. Well, I don't see any blizzard around here, so this is Rev Jim signing off.